Hello, hello, YouTube. This is a random guy on the internet. That's not my channel name, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to be showing all of you how to abide by the new guidelines set by the F-sub thing. I don't even know its name. It's not important. But essentially, government got mad at YouTube's and said, "Give me all your money." YouTube, as a royally messed up. Yeah, that's what we're gonna say. And they have been advertising to children, and that's against the law. So sorry guys, YouTube doesn't know what to do, so we're now the problem. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure there are no bright colors. No bright colors. So I'm going to put this in black ink on our black background because white is too bright for us. We can't make any risk here. No bright colors. I don't want to spell all that out. Just no. Don't do that. No children's edutainment. No animations. Can't do any of that. Games. Sorry, video game people. Move over to Twitch. That's my best option. That is the best advice I can give you. No games. Those are too children appealing. It doesn't matter if you're playing Mortal Kombat. The reason why we have a rating system, it doesn't matter. They don't care. They don't know what a video game is anyways. It's best to stray away from really anything that's not a black screen. I'm a little worried about this white circle thing. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah. I'm using GIMP because I'm poor. You could probably tell that already by the Bandicam logo that's probably going to be about right here. Let me know in the comment section. Oh wait, we don't have those anymore. Sorry. I also, we're disabling those because people might read them. I know, tragedy. People have freedom of speech. We all know what happens when we give America's born, and nobody likes America. No, what could possibly go wrong with giving everybody free speech? Foreign concept. So if you actually want to do research on the topic at hand, unlike what I did, because I'm lazy, I have a couple videos, such as our God himself of Gentai, Lord Nuxtaku. Yeah, his video will be linked in the description, along with matpat's saying we are confirmed screwed. And since he has people at YouTube's and, you know, he talks with them, yeah, we're doomed. Pack your bags. I heard we need to help our boy Ninja out at Mixer. He can't carry a platform alone. This has been the Juggernaut. Yeah, I guess I'm signing out now. Bye-bye.